Hi guys, I'm back from the video, and today we've got some big news. As you can see here, they're agate babies. Very nice. A little bit red colouring coming through them. This is the red mosaic, one of the big ones. As you know, she's got a few eggs, but not any babies yet. I think 3 or 2. Whereas on the other hand, this boy and his female have a baby. I'll show you that if she leaves her nest later. Oh, and here's the baby. Very cute red mosaic baby. Still off an egg. This is one of our red factor males. His female's sitting on a few eggs there. I think about 5 like it was last time. As you can see, it's our red factor other couple here. These are the parents, our agate parents. Well, one of them. As you can probably tell, she isn't sitting, but she has one egg. So hopefully she'll start sitting on that. This is our red mosaic other male, the old male with his female. They have no babies as of yet, but they've got 4 eggs. These are the yellow mosaics, and don't worry, the baby is doing good. There he is. Very nice. And if you're wondering who that tweeting was, well, these are our new pair of agate. This is the female here. This is the male. Very beautiful. As you can see. So yeah. Bye guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video.